morning, everyone. Or should I say, rise and shine. I know. At this point, we're all over rise and shine. We're over it. Isn't it crazy how things happen like that? 1 minute, everyone's obsessed with something and it's trending all over social media, and then a week later, no one gives a shit. Anyway, guys, hello. Hi, welcome to a new video. By the way, a lot of people have been asking me if I'm coming out with these mugs. I am not. I think this was a gift. I think my sister got this for me. I'm not sure. What is your favorite type of mug? I know that's random, but I'm curious to know how you like to drink your coffee in the morning. What type of mug is the yummiest for you? Anyway, good morning, rise and shine. Today's video is gonna be fast. It's gonna be, Porter, what's wrong? We're doing a quick video today, as you can tell by the title. The lighting is absolutely crazy in this video. It's very early this morning, Porter, and the sun is like in and out. I look like Casper. So I got a comment the other day from one of you guys asking me to do a tutorial that's perfect for you if you sleep through your alarm. If you suddenly wake up and you're like, oh my god, I only have 5 minutes to do my makeup, what am I gonna do? This video is for you. And it's funny because if I was in high school right now, this is definitely the makeup routine I would do, like now in 2019. Back in 2010, when I graduated, I didn't care. Someone asked me the other day if I was going to my high school reunion. I am not going to my high school reunion because all of the friends I had in high school, like my close true friends, I'm still friends with. And then everybody else I could just see on Instagram. You know what I mean? I have a feeling high school reunions are gonna be a thing of the past, because who needs a reunion when I see what you're eating for breakfast, lunch, and dinner every single day on your stories? But anyway, even though I've done a bunch of videos like this in the past, I thought I would do an updated one. This is literally my current out the door makeup routine. I've been going to a lot of meetings recently, and I know I never leave my house, but I have been leaving my house a lot for meetings. And this is what I do. So I go from looking like this to looking like this in just 5-ish minutes. The funny thing is that I've actually never timed myself. I don't know if this takes 5 minutes to do. I have a feeling this takes longer to do. I guess this has just turned into a 5-minute makeup challenge also. By the way, I got so many comments in a recent video saying that you guys saw some Marisu activity, like some fog happening in the background. Guys, I have an essential oil diffuser. Marisu is not here at the moment. I know that she's used to showing up for us in smoke form, but that is my Poosh diffuser, which was overpriced, but it's cute because it looks like a moon. Okay, so obviously I feel like I'm gonna take a little bit longer than 5 minutes because I want to walk through what I'm doing, even though it's like the easiest steps of life. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with my eyebrows, and whenever I'm in a rush, I don't do the full-on brow like I usually do. So I'm gonna take my Hourglass Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. I'm using this one because it's not as harsh as my ABH or my Benefit one. The color is a little bit softer, so it looks a little bit more natural on the brows. And what I like to do when I'm in a rush is I just start in the areas where I'm bald or where I have bald spots, and then I work from there. Because honestly, it takes me 5 minutes just to do my brows on a regular day, so we don't have time to get picky and get crazy. Quickly brush them up, we don't have time. And then of course I always gotta hit them with the brow gel. This is the Nudestix Brow Gel. Brow gel is essential for every day, no matter what. I'm gonna take my 4-3 Beauty Glisten Up Mist, and this is gonna act as my primer, my hydrator, my all-in-one. This bad boy is serious. I wish they would put this mist in the hyaluronic acid bottle, like in the Pretty Fresh bottle, because that bottle is heavenly. The mist on that is incredible. This one is a little bit aggressive, but it's the best. Usually, I save a lot of time by doing this first and then doing my brows, because I'm doing my brows as it's sinking into the skin, so I don't have to use a fan. But anyway, so on days like this, I really like using a concealer that doesn't need much setting, and I have been loving the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer. It's a little bit more matte, but I like it because it's very long wearing. It doesn't need setting, and I just think it looks really nice on the skin. So I just add a little bit underneath my eyes and on my T-zone area because I'm not going in with foundation. So I'm just gonna buff that out really quickly. The 4-3 Beauty Mist really helps it blend out because it has that moisture underneath. Now really quickly, I'm gonna warm up the skin with my Jouer bronzing duo. This is Sunkissed and Sunset. And I like using this for this occasion because you kind of get a twofer. Even though they're both bronzers, I like to use this as kind of like a blushy bronzer. So I'll take a brush like this. This is my Wet n Wild brush. Go into the deeper bronzer. And I just bronze the skin with this color. This bronzer is super pigmented, so it doesn't take much. And adding the Forthray Beauty Mist first does give it something to cling to. So I find that the bronzer lasts a little bit longer throughout the day when I use the face mist first. And obviously I'm not being too precise, I'm being kind of messy. I like it, makes me feel tropical. Then with the same brush, I'm gonna take a little bit of the lighter bronzer and swipe that on my cheeks. Okay, so if I'm gonna be honest with you, it's been like 10 minutes. I mean, obviously I have been sitting here talking, but if I was in a rush and I only had 5 minutes, this is exactly what I would do, and then I would throw on mascara and get out the door, put on some chapstick, be good to go. Maybe a little gloss or something. But let's say you have 10 minutes. Let's cheat a little bit. I'm not cheating because this is my 5 minute with a little bit of mascara and a little bit of gloss. But let's say we had a little bit more time. I'm gonna take an eyeliner like this, something that's really rich and chocolatey that's gonna make my eyes stand out. This is the NARS Appia. And I really like these eyeliners because they last a very, very long time. So if you're gonna be like at work all day or something, these are really great. But I'm just basically tight lining with this, adding it to my waterline, just eyelining the crap out of my eye so that I can go in with my brush after and smudge it out to get a little mini smoky eye going on. It kind of looks like you actually tried to do your makeup even though it took 5 seconds. And now we can add the mascara. Normally I would curl my lashes, but we ain't got time for that. And I'm using my Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes mascara. And I like using this mascara, especially on days where I'm in a rush, because this mascara only needs one freaking coat. I don't have to sit here and build it forever. Awesome, love it when that happens. And then like I said, I would just go in with like a lip gloss right now. Something that's really easy to throw on. So I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty Fussy lip gloss. These smell like my childhood for real. Okay guys, so then that completes this look. This is my quick go-to look whenever I sleep through my alarm and I wake up and I freak out and I only have 5 minutes to do my makeup. This actually wasn't supposed to be today's video. The video I had planned to go up, I'm scared. I'm scared to post it because I feel like no one's gonna like it or no one's gonna relate to it. It's actually the video I filmed with Jessie when she was recently at my house before she went back to LA. And it's interesting. It's interesting. We dressed up like Guatemala. And I know a lot of you guys have no freaking idea who Guatemala is. So I feel like it might be a confusing video. But basically we're giving love advice in Spanish. Dressed as Guatemala. Yeah, so. Let me know if that's something you'd be interested in watching. It's a hot mess. It's bad. But I'll post it for you guys. You know I like posting bad content, you know. But anyway guys, that completes this video. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below letting me know what your go-to 5-minute makeup look is. Like, what are your go-to products? If you're in a pinch, what are your top 3 must-haves like on your face? But anyway guys, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so, so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.